In exercise 5.3, 11th problem is little bit lengthy. Problem is lengthy, but it is easy to you. The first question here, you consider that as a y. Y is equals to x cos x whole power x plus x sin x whole power 1 by x. X cos x whole power x plus x sin x whole power 1 by x. First of all, this is the sum of the two functions. In the two functions, you are having power x. So you are having power x is nothing but whenever you are having power x, first you consider this as a u. Let u is equals to x cos x whole power x and v is equals to x sin x whole power 1 by x. So separately you have considered. Now du by dx, dy by dx is nothing but y is equals to u plus v. So dy by dx is nothing but du by dx plus dv by dx. So if you need to find out du by dx, dv by dx. So du by dx, this one let us take into consider. So u is equals to x cos x whole power x. So this one first part you take into consider. Two different parts you are taking here. Okay. So here du by dx, find out. So directly du by dx you cannot find out. So what you have to do here, in the power you are having x. So logarithmic functions you need to apply here. So logarithm of u is equals to logarithm of x cos x whole power x. So logarithm of u is equals to x into logarithm of x cos x. So here what the formula we have used? Log x power n is equals to n into log of x. Here logarithm is nothing but log to the base e actually. Okay, log to the base e is usually denoted by ln, but here in this textbook here now for our easy purpose then we are denoting like this. Okay, so now here if whenever you take into consider differentiating, taking logarithm on both sides, here you have to write here taking log on both sides. So now what do you get here? Differentiating with respect to x. So what do you get here? 1 by u, logarithm of u, differentiation 1 by u, du by dx, which is equals to, here this is in the form of uv. So uv form mein hai. So product of the two functions you need to take into consider. So 1 into logarithm of x cos x plus logarithm of x cos x differentiation you need to do, and x will be as it is. So the differentiation of this one is nothing but 1 by x cos x, and again differentiation of x cos x. So differentiation of x cos x in the numerator. X cos x differentiation again product form mein hai. So that again you need to take into the product form. So first cos x plus x into sin x differentiation. Sorry, cos x differentiation minus sin x. This we are going to get. Okay. So here, whenever you take into consider this, du by dx is equals to u into. Okay. So here, whenever you take into consider this, x and x can be cancelled. And here you are going to get logarithm of x cos x plus cos x minus x sin x by cos x. And what is u? You replace it. I think it is not visible to you here. Is it visible here?
No, sir.
No, it is not visible here. Okay. Actually, I need to. Suppose you have to replace by the whatever you have considered. So you can consider it as a you consider as x cos x, na? So therefore du by dx is equals to, this is visible now? Is it visible?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Du by dx, and u here we have considered as x cos x. So x cos x whole to the power of x. X cos x whole to the power of x into, and here if you do the LCM, here you are going to get in the denominator cos x. Okay. So here you can cancel the x cos x and x, but if it is not necessary, because denominator you are getting the x cos x. So here also you are going the x cos x. X cos x to the power of x minus 1. If you want to write, then it is not necessary to you to cancel. You can keep it as it is, or you can cancel that, up to your choice. So, and here simplification maybe in little bit different way, but the final answer will be the same. This should be multiplied by cos x, and plus cos x minus x sin x. So this is du by dx. Or you can take this cos x to the numerator, or you can write x power x into cos x to the power of x minus 1 into logarithm of x cos x into cos x plus cos x minus x sin x. Problem is lengthy. You can write like this, or you can leave it as it is. And whenever you take into consider, the second part is v. V is equals to here x sin x whole to the power of 1 by x. X sin x whole to the power of 1 by x. Okay. So dv by dx. So dv by dx directly you cannot find out, because power you are having 1 by x. As you are having the power 1 by x, you cannot find out directly. So logarithm better you take. Log v is equals to logarithm of x sin x whole to the power of 1 by x. This 1 by x will come here. Okay. Now here 1 by v dv by dx is equals to the differentiation of the differentiating with respect to the x on both sides.
Master.
Differentiating. Yes, any doubt? Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Hello? No, someone said something. Okay. So here 1 by x differentiation you need to do. 1 by x differentiation is minus 1 by x square, and the log x sin x is as it is. Is it visible to you while I am writing? Okay. So now here plus 1 by x you keep it as it is, and you have to do the differentiation of the log x sin x. Log x sin x differentiation is nothing but 1 by x sin x, and x sin x again you have to differentiate. X sin x differentiation is sin x plus x. Sin x differentiation is cos x. So here you are going to get 1 by x square. Here 1 by x square, here minus 1 by x square is there. So simplification is you can do it in any way. So dv by dx is equals to v into. Here you are going to get the minus log x sin x by x square plus here sin x plus x cos x by x square sin x. X square sin x, and v value replace it here. V is equals to x sin x whole to the power of 1 by x. X sin x whole to the power of 1 by x. So, and 1 by x square you can take outside. So into 1 by x square, if you want, you can take it outside. And here you are going to get the minus log x sin x plus sin x plus x cos x by sin x. If you want to simplification, then you can do it. X power other, and this is a dv by dx, and this is du by dx, and the final answer is, I think it is not visible to you, the side one. Now is it clear? So this is a way to solve, and then after, therefore you have to write dy by dx is equals to du by dx plus dv by dx. So these two sum you have to write at the final. Did you understand? Did you understand here?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next problem is 12th problem. See, these are actually whenever you are having directly y is not there here. Y is not given to you here. So these are completely different problems. So 12 onwards whenever you take into consider. So now here, oh, this is 5.5 exercise. I have written 5.3, sorry. The next thing is 12th problem whenever you take. Exercise 5.5. These all the problems you can do it. It's one problem I'll explain to you here. 12th one is x power y plus y power x is equals to 1. X power y plus y power. These are very important examination point of view. 12, 13, 14, 15 problems, usually repeating questions. Whenever you take into consider in examination, 12, 13, 14, 15 problems are repeating questions in the examination. Previously, the questions are asked questions. They are very important in examination point of view. Whenever different problems, whenever you take, these are remaining problems. Whatever we have solved is lengthy problems. Actually, they are all lengthy problems. But here it is not very lengthy, but logic is included here. Okay. So whenever you take into consider here, x power y plus y power x is equals to 1 is given to you. Okay. So here also you take the x power y is equals to u and x power y power x is equals to v. Okay. So by considering u and v, and you have to find out du by dx. This you have to differentiate with respect to x. That is a question that we have to differentiate with respect to x. So then you have to consider this one as a u. Let u is equals to x power y, v is equals to y power x. So then what you are going to get, this completely equation is changing into u plus v is equals to 1. U plus v is equals to 1. And differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So what do you get here? Du by dx plus dv by dx is equals to 0. So this one you keep it in your mind. So du by dx separate karna. So first you consider u is equals to x power y. U is equals to x power y. Okay. And taking logarithm on both sides, log u is equals to y into log x. Directly I am writing. Actually you are going to get logarithm of x power y, and this power y you are going to get here. So here we are going to get y is internally here included here. So now what you have to do? 1 by u du by dx is equals to differentiation of this one. So differentiation of this one in the form of the UV method. U into first one into second one differentiation 1 by x plus second one differentiation is dy by dx. And this log x is as it is. Now here what you are going to get, du by dx is equals to u into y by x plus dy by dx into log x. Actually what we need to find out? We need to find out the dy by dx. First du by dx and dv by dx we will find out. From that you are going to get the dy by dx in that, and that you have to find out. Okay. So here du by dx and u, what is that u? You substitute here. Du by dx is equals to x power y into y by x. So x power y by x plus dy by dx into log x. One part is completed. The second part is what here? Y, v. V is equals to y power x. So taking logarithm on both sides, log v is equals to logarithm of y power x. Okay. So 1 by v dv by dx is equals to, so this can be written as x into log y. So x as it is, log y differentiation with respect to x, 1 by y and again dy by dx, differentiating y with respect to x, plus differentiation of x is 1 into log y. So now here we are going to get dy by dx, dv by dx is equals to v into x by y into dy by dx plus log y. Okay, so now here you take into consider dv by dx is equals to, v value you replace it, y power x into x by y dy by dx plus log y. So now here, from here, what you can write? From 1, you consider this as equation number 1 if you want. And from 1, you can say that from 1, du by dx plus dv by dx is equals to 0. So that is nothing but this x power y into y by x plus dy by dx into log x plus y power x into x by y dy by dx plus log y is equals to 0. So this is just like an algebra over there. Now here from this you need to find out the dy by dx. So very simple here, multiply here wherever dy by dx is there, x power y into y by x. X power y into x power y multiply कर रहा हूँ, dy by dx into x power y log x. X power y is multiplied here. Here y power x into x by y into dy by dx plus y power x log y is equals to 0. Wherever dy by dx is there, the two terms you keep here, this one and this one dy by dx is there. These two terms you keep here, the remaining terms you send to the right side. And what you get here from this, you take the dy by dx common. Here dy by dx, if you take the common, x power y log x plus this can be written as y power x minus 1. Y power x by y can be written as y power x minus 1. So x into y power x minus 1. From these two, I have taken dy by dx common. The remaining two terms I am sending to the right side. So whenever you send this and this to the right side, minus y power x log y you are going to get, minus y power x log y. And this one, if you send to the right side, minus x power y minus 1 you can write. This can be written as x power y minus 1 into y. So now this you take into the right side. So that is dy by dx. So dy by dx is equals to minus of y power x log y plus x power y minus 1 into y divided by x power y into log x plus x into y power x minus 1.
I told to leave the meeting.